nice.
That was nuts.
This is crazy. Like, what? Bro, nobody has ever seen my car this freaking dirty. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. So I do have some car content today. It's me and John. We're gonna take the M3 and the M4 for a mountain run. And it's gonna be fun. You know how it goes. Oh, they got the good shit today, boys. A lot of people think that I need to blur out my tag in all these videos, but the way that I feel about it is everyone else can see it. I don't care if you look up how much I paid for this car. Go ahead, I don't really give a shit, and I'm not gonna, you know, take the time to blur out my tag every time it's in there. Sorry. Touchless car wash. Touchless. I'm not using the touch one, guys. So chill. I know how you guys are about car washes. Bro, what the fuck? These vacuum cleaners suck about as good as my eggs. What's up?
What's up, man?
You ready to go get some food?
Yeah, man, I'm starving right now.
Me too, bro. All right, just follow me.
All right, sounds good.
Me and John are almost to the parkway now, so I'm gonna try to put my GoPro on the back, and then I'll probably put it on the front so you can see what I'm looking at. I think that'll be pretty cool, so. Bro, did you see all the Porsches?
Yeah, man, I saw that. That was sick.
I was about to pull the fuck over.
Yeah, I wanted to, but
You were like, I don't know if I should crash this Porsche party with my BMW.
I know.
Guys, just look at the view up here. Just look at the view. Maybe we'll have it on the GoPro footage, but me and John, we actually passed a ton of RS cars. GT3s, GT4s, there might have been some GT2s. I know there was plenty of other kinds, but I definitely saw some GT3 RSs. So maybe we're gonna wait here and see if we can get them passing by.
That'd be sick.
Me and John should have crashed the Porsche party in our M cars.
Yeah.
I think Porsche and BMW, we got like a mutual respect for each other.
I think they would have appreciated that for sure. Definitely.
I know one thing, I got on it.
Yeah.
John's car looks freaking sick in today's setting with it being moody out. I'm gonna stop and get some good pictures of this bad boy for sure. Our cars look good together. I'm glad that I have John close to me because, you know, there's not a lot of people with cars like ours where we're from, so.
Yeah, definitely not. There's like 4 of us.
Not only that, but most of the other people with nice cars I hang out with, like from this area, I don't really care for. And me and John just happen to be like almost exactly alike. We like all the same shit, all the same video games, all the same nerdy shit.
Like down to the T.
Yep.
Pretty much.
So that's that for sure. I love how the fog just moves right up the mountain, dude. God, dude. The fog looks so sick behind the M4.
It really does.
Got it in January.
Oh, really?
It's sweet, man.
Yeah. Wanted it since I was 16.
There was like 3 RSs and everything.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see those.
Yeah, those are pretty badass. But the views up here are so great.
Like if these wheels would have came on my car, I would have never bought wheels.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Because these are my favorite BMW wheel, hands down. They fit this car so good. The only thing that's weird to me, and it's not a problem, is why did the competition pack car come with 20-inch wheels?
Yeah, exactly.
20-inch wheels don't handle as good.
You would think it would have come with like 18s or 19s.
Like,
because that's like more like track.
Like 5-spoke, like
yeah,
something crazy.
Yeah.
But either way, they look freaking sweet.
For sure.
20-inch wheels for the win, guys. I know a lot of people are going to be saying, put some 18s on there. If you're, you know, a big track guy, a big like handling and performance guy, for sure. 18s and 19s at the most. But if you're like us, you like to, you know, cruise and get on it just a little bit and come up the mountain and just take pictures and hang out, bro, 20s all day long.
I mean, we're riding it, you know, we were going pretty fast.
We were running them pretty hard. Mine was a-okay, so.
Yeah, no issues, no chirping whatsoever.
Also,
Perfectly
the
fine.
tires.
Yeah.
The Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons, guys. If, you know, you have one of those times where the 4S's are on back order and these are all they got, don't be scared of them. They're gonna last longer, perform better in cold weather and snow. So, bro, these people are wild as hell up here. Some of the coolest parts of the parkway, and we're behind a fucking car. As usual, it's always like this. Oh man, very nice, very nice.
That was nuts.
In all my videos, I'm always telling people how badass the parkway is, and like if we would have got that big group of Porsches, they would have really known. There was an R8, and that was, what was that? I'll have to look. But it's like that a lot, and people don't realize it. But
you see a lot of exotic cars around here.
You do, man. Even whenever you got a guy driving, how much does a R8 cost? Like a brand new one like that? 160?
I would say somewhere like around there, yeah.
I don't know how much they cost, so I'm sorry, but like, I love the fact that these cars still get attention from people even like that. So
yeah.
They know what's up.
For sure.
Oh man, that was badass. I'm so glad I got that on the vlog.
I know. I think that was better than the group of Porsches.
That was better than the Porsches.
Yeah.
Maybe. If we would have got some rollers with the Porsches, that would have been cool. So me and John, we are officially done with our little drive, and now we are on our favorite parking deck to get some videos and pictures of the car.
Right there, you can see that like pop.
Yeah.
Those sound better than like the ones they had before.
They do. They're louder for sure.
Much louder.
Those are like a metal material. The other was like a cloth. It's gorgeous up here, and let me just say, this is probably the best drive that me and John have had together so far. We got to have some fun in some spurts, and we also saw a ton of other badass vehicles, which always makes me happy. I think it's that time of year, and I'm gonna make a little edit of the car and take some pictures, and then me and John are gonna go back to his house and chill for a while. So, you know what? I think this is where I'm gonna end it, and I'm gonna leave you with a badass little edit of the cars. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.